I'm Anita from Global Baby, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the foot muff to your Mutsy Igo. So here we go. Here's one that I've taken out of the packaging. So it's just like a sleeping bag really, and you're going to put that over the seat. I've removed this part, so that usually sits over covering up all the bits and pieces for the shoulder straps. So just press on the button at the top to remove that, and then you'll need to remove the hood. You need to press these buttons at the side here. And you can do this with the seat facing you or facing away, but you'll just need to remove the harness next. So these little bits here, and just slide them through to the front. And the same underneath here. And then this one at the bottom. So now the harness is out. And when you get this one in the packet, it's going to be like this. And you've got to turn this piece over the back so it's like a pillowcase. And then slide that over the top of the seat. Now we want to put the harness back on, and then you'll just slide that through the slot that you need. I'll show you from the back as well. And then through those slots at the hip. So I'm working on these ones just behind here. And then, oops, the crutch strap. So it's going through the hole there, through the hole underneath. And you can of course have that seat facing you. And facing away. And when it's not super cold, you can remove this top piece and just have the warmth underneath, because the zips are open-ended. Alright, I hope you found that video helpful. I'm Anita from Global Baby, and that was the Mutsy Igo with the Footmuff.